Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Journey with the Jacksons.
Yeah man, Journey with the Jacksons.
Oh my gosh, we know we've been busy or we've not been here for a while, and we're so grateful for those of you who have stuck and stayed with us.
Long time supporters.
Yes, welcome to all our new subscribers. We are so grateful to have you guys here, and we're so grateful that you've decided to stick with us even though we've not been posting.
Yeah, we haven't posted in a while now. We haven't posted in a minute,
Mhm.
but
We're back.
Yeah, you guys can expect to see some videos coming from us shortly again. Yeah.
And so we're hope you're excited that everything is going well with you, and what is not going well, that it will work out, and that you're excited for the days ahead, the months ahead. Thank you guys again, and we're so grateful to have you as a part of our family. Continue to like our old videos, to comment on them, to share them, and for our new videos, continue to be be on the lookout rather to like them, to watch them, to share them with your family and friends. And also, if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to
subscribe. Press that subscribe button.
So thank you guys. See you guys soon.
All right, see you guys.